Hey friends, this is Mohammad Abbas Malik and welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming smartphones Huawei Nova 7, Nova 7 SE and Nova 7 Pro. Let's have a look. Huawei will release several very interesting smartphones in its home market in China later this spring, and new devices are also expected to be added to the company's Nova collection in the near future. According to data from China, Huawei would release 3 new members to the Nova 7 collections on April 23rd of 2020. The model names of the upcoming phones are rumored to be the Nova 7, Nova 7 SE and Nova 7 Pro. All 3 phones would be technically interesting, and at least one of the data will be the unpublished Kirin system circuit, which also support 5G connections. The Huawei Nova 7 SE will reportedly include the Kirin 820 system chip, which was previously seen on the Honor 30s. It is a capable system circuit with a 5G modem for mid-range phones. The Huawei Nova 7 phone is expected to have an unpublished Kirin 985 system chip, which is a slightly more truncated versions of the Kirin 990 system chip seen on Huawei's top phones. The Huawei Nova 7 Pro sees the Kirin 990 5G system chip, which is Huawei's most powerful system chip for phones today. Rumor has it that the Nova 7 Pro would settle in the price range of less than $497 in China. And of course the Nova 7 and Nova 7 SE would be even cheaper so far. However, Huawei has not confirmed that it will release new Nova phones, so the information now released is still worth taking with the small reservations. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Huawei Nova 7, 7 SE and 7 Pro. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comment sections that how do you like this video. If you like it, please click the subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Stay blessed, peace out, take care, bye bye.